What's up, ladies and gentlemen? BoostAFilmz here. First, I would like to say it's a crazy world we're living in right now. This coronavirus is, it's no joke. I'm hoping everyone is doing good or doing the best that we can. Get through this, keep your distance, wash your hands, do whatever we need to do to get through this, get it over with, and get back to normal. I know everybody just wants to get back to normal, get past this. It's crazy. But today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on an Apple product. I'm going to be doing a 2020 iPad Pro. This is one of those products I've been waiting for a long time for. Now, back in 2015, I did get the first iPad Pro that did come out, and I enjoyed it. I've loved it this entire time, but I never really had a purpose to move to the next one. Well, at least I didn't feel like I needed to until now. I have always been in the market for replacing my computer, something where I didn't need to get on my desktop computer and definitely did not want to get a laptop. I wanted something that was had a lot more versatility. And we all know the iPad is just all well-rounded. And with the processors that's in it, all the added features, the new cameras, not many people will be recording a full-on video or doing full photography with their iPad, but it would be a nice setup to have a secondary camera or something. I could definitely use it. LiDAR sensor, I held out, and with the iPad first generation, this was the A9, that's right, the A9X chip, moving up 4 gigs of RAM to 6 gigs of RAM, 8-core GPU, LiDAR sensor, better cameras, full display, Face ID. It's a huge upgrade from what I had. And this is the one that I feel is, for me at least, going to be able to replace my computer. That's what I wanted. I wanted to replace my desktop computer without getting a laptop. This is it. To me, this is it. This is going to be able to do everything that I needed to do with the speed of it, as well as the new file app. So I can plug in external hard drives, be able to transfer files, videos, raw footage. I do all my editing on here, uploading on here. And then when the Magic Keyboard comes out, I will definitely be getting that Magic Keyboard, having the full trackpad, the lit up keys. It's exactly what I've always wanted and need to replace my computer without having to get a laptop. And to me, this is a laptop replacement, especially with that keyboard. Once you get that keyboard, it has a USB-C on the side that charges it. That leaves me an open USB-C to be able to plug up those hard drives into it. As well as I did get the Apple Pencil. I've always been an artist. I've been an artist, but I have not been doing anything with it. Back in school, like in high school, which was unfortunately forever ago, I used to draw all the time. This is something that I really, really want to get back into doing something, doing art. Procreation is definitely the app to go. I will be all over that. So this is my replacement for my laptop, and I'm super excited to open it. I'm super excited to get to it, as well as get that keyboard. And unfortunately, the keyboard's not out yet, so today we're going to do this unboxing of this. So let's get to the unboxing. First, let's start with the iPad. If we can get it open. These things always love to have a really good suction. Oh, come on. I did get the 256 gig one, 12.9 inches, and in space gray. Whew. Now let's listen. Love it. One of the things that I absolutely love about these new iPads is the feel. That square feeling is just absolutely amazing. There's just something about that square feeling. I just absolutely love that. I got the Wi-Fi only. I do everything inside. Everywhere I go, it has Wi-Fi. So I didn't need to get cellular. So while that is turning on, let's turn that on. We're gonna get that going. Inside the box, we have your normal paperwork. Better be some Apple stickers up in here. Oh yeah, Apple stickers, as well as your power brick and your cable. You know, the norm. So I don't think I turned that on. We have to hold it for like 200 years, or is mine like completely dead? There it is. You just gotta hold it for a long time. Now let's do the pencil. And, oh, this thing, oh, look at that, fancy. Here we go. Papers, I'm pretty sure there's no small apple stickles in there. And here's the pencil, look at that. Now, I did as well get the customized little engraving on it, if you guys can see that, BoostAFilmz for my YouTube channel, as well as, God, I love that flat spot. I love the texture. The first Apple Pencil was really, really smooth. This one has more of a texture to it, which I absolutely love that. And as well, I also did BoostAFilmz right there. Yes, this is definitely going to be everything that I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip real quick and get to the setup real quick. I'll be right back. And there we have it, all set up, ready to go. And now all I have to do with the Apple Pencil Oh, that's a sweet animation. And that's it. Now it should be perfect. Absolutely perfect. So yes, I'm definitely going to have a lot of fun with this. This is my Apple 2020 iPad. This is definitely going to replace my computer. This is my laptop alternative. I am going to enjoy this a lot. Well, there it is. Just a quick unboxing, as well as, be safe out there, guys. It's a crazy world. And I'll do another unboxing with my keyboard and then give more of a review of how this turned out throughout that time of using it. And I'll be back on that video to give you my full review on this iPad as well as that keyboard. Until then, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video. Take it easy, y'all.